Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome to Desi Bites. For all you seafood lovers out there, today is going to be a really interesting episode because we are making prawn masala. We're going to heat oil in the pan. Now I'm going to add chopped onions. Toss them around till they turn slightly pink. When I'm going to add chopped garlic to the pan. So once the garlic is slightly brown, we're going to add of turmeric, some red chili powder and some rye. We'll add a little bit of oil to this. Once that is done, then I'm going to add the prawns. Coat them nicely with the onion and the garlic. Prawns won't take really long to cook. So halfway through, it'll take about 7 minutes. From anywhere between 5 to 7 minutes depending on the heat. So I'm going to add the salt right now itself. Some cracked black pepper. Don't keep cooking them too long because that will overcook the prawns and they would taste a bit rubbery and that would not be nice at all. Little coriander on top. Since this is prawn masala. And then last and favorite ingredient for this dish, some lime juice. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this simple yet delicious recipe. Do not forget to try it. Like I always say, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment in the comment section below. I will see you in another episode. Till then, you guys better take care. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a pizza toast but with chicken. I've made a vegetarian recipe. The link is in the description, so do check that out. Let's do this. Heat some oil in a pan. Slightly golden brown. That's the color you want to go for. Now you'll add your shredded chicken. The thing is, you don't have to cook the chicken since it's already boiled, but you just want to toss it with the garlic so it gets that flavor. Heat is on the lowest. Now I'm going to add the pizza sauce. That's it, and this is done. Now what I'm going to do is slice the corners of the bread off because we don't need that. So don't throw these away. You can use these later for breadcrumbs. So we take sauce with the chicken in it. Try to cover the corners. Sometimes you get pizzas with the corners that just left dry and it's not nice. I'm going to sprinkle my leftover seasoning on this, a little bit, not too much. These already have salt in them. A little bit of white pepper. The best thing on the planet is cheese. Now I'm going to heat the oven to 150, but as soon as the cheese melts is when I take it out. And now we wait patiently for this delicious pizza toast to get in our belly. And this is ready. Chop some fresh parsley. And 2 drops of olive oil. And your chicken pizza toast is ready. Guys, make sure you try this easy recipe for a chicken pizza toast. And don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Desi Bites. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you take care. See you.